Massages moving through the middle. Massages has got a step on him. He's in. Massages looks, shoots, he scores. Number 13, Marks Massages, just takes it from center red. The shot never found the net. Snapshot toward the net. It goes in. Off the shot by Nathaniel Schwartz. Not quite sure how that one went. He might have hit a pad and gone under. The Pittsburgh Vengeance. At the 112 mark. Sarge's trying to make something happen. Shot toward the net, score! Just like that at the top of the right wing circle. At the 9:32 mark. Pittsburgh Vengeance. Games so far against the Vengeance. Soderberg in front. Oh, Schwartz with his second of the game on the feed from Soderberg. At the 5:24 mark. Off the controlled by Grant. He'll send it up the side. First man over there is Calvin Tonzi. Tonzi's met with a host of red and white jerseys, and a shot fired at the net. Looks like he broke someone's stick on the way. And the Pittsburgh Vengeance, the fifth goal of the game at the 10:10 mark. I hope they got that on tape because that was awfully hard to see with the naked eye. Here. And the puck cleared. The Pittsburgh Vengeance with a 5-0 win over the Southern Tier Express.